Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm very excited to teach you how to make a boomerang paper airplane. This paper airplane is not a new design, it's been on my channel for years, and if you can tell me the name of the paper airplane, I am very impressed. I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. If you can't tell the name of the paper airplane, I'll give you the name. This is called the Marz X. Okay, now the first step, I'm going to fold the paper in half this way. Okay, so I fold the paper in half and I make a crease here. So make sure that all edges are lined up. I make a crease here and I make a crease here. Okay, you can see that there are creases because there are creases on the paper because I'm reusing this paper. I don't want to waste paper, so bear with me. Try to fold it step by step. Okay, so now I have a crease here and I have crease here. I will start from this upper edge. I fold this upper edge down and I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. I fold it down. Alright, now unfold the paper. I'm going to place the paper like this and I'll match both edges. So one edge now become two edges, right? Let's match the edges together and you have a piece of paper like this. That's fine. I'll fold this part to a side. I'll fold this part to the other side. Okay. Alright, so I have a crease here. And now I will open this part like that, as you can see, and I can push the upper part out. Here we go. So thus we have the head of the paper airplane. Let me flip the paper over. And now I'm going to start from this edge. This edge first and the other edge on the other side. Later, fold both edge to the center crease. Press down the paper. Make sure that you adjust it a little bit, okay? You can leave a small gap between this edge to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, adjust the paper just a little bit. Here we go. So this is what we have. It looks really good. Okay, so let's me flip the paper over to see what we have here and what we have here. Alright, it's look good. Now let's flip the paper over again. On the next step, I'm going to start from this tip and fold straight to this point. Let's take a look at this. This point right here, the intersection of the center crease and the below edge. So just fold it down, hold the paper and press it. Here we go. Now this is what we have. This is awesome. You can see this pocket and this pocket over here. This is what I want to do. Okay, next step, I'm going to insert this corner into the pocket. Okay, let's fold it first before you insert it into the pocket, because by doing this way it will be much easier to insert the corner into the pocket. You can adjust this a little bit like this. Same thing for this side. Here we go. And now I can push it. It's maybe a little bit difficult, but you will be able to do it. Okay. You can adjust it. Here we go. So this is what we have. Now I'm going to open this upper layer up. Okay, let's open it up. Here we go. Alright, so this is what we have. Next step, I'm going to fold the paper in half. I put the paper down like this. I fold it in half. Make sure that you adjust the paper. Oh, let's fix this pocket and adjust the paper so that both sides are even. Okay. Here we go. So this is what we have. On the following step, this is very easy. Let's start from this upper edge first to this below edge to create a wing. And press down the paper. Alright, so let's press this down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Here we go. So this is what we have. On the following step, let's do it this way. Okay, I'm going to fold this part of the paper down. Okay, I need to fold it down. Okay, same thing for this side. This part I fold down. Here we go. And then I'll fold this edge down as well. You see this edge, I fold to the center crease. Here we go. Same thing for this side. I'll start from this edge, I fold to the center crease. And now I can push this part of the paper up. And I can fold this part of the paper up as well. Fold this down, fold this down. And guess what? This part of the paper I will pull it up. I pull it up like this. Okay. We create a head of the plan. Okay. Now the plants look really cool, right? This is the last step you need to do. Create these stabilizers. You can fold it up. Okay, just fold it like this. And repeat the same for the other side. Here we go. If the paper is thick, this plane will fly far. But if the paper is thin, it's boomerang. To make the plane boomerang, so you need to create the elevators here. Fold up just a little bit, curl the wings up a little bit, and when you hold the plane, hold like this, tilt it to the angle that you want it come back. For an example, if you want it come back to the left, you have to tilt a little bit to the left, or you have to want it come back to the right, you have to tilt a bit to the right and throw it. So play around with this pen and you will surprise how it's come back on your hand. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.